Hi guys, today I'm sitting in a 2015 Chrysler Town & Country. This is actually my vehicle. I actually owned a vehicle. I own the car. Here's the issue I'm having with it. Okay, here's the issue. There we go, it starts. So yep, the car starts. Thanks for watching. So this car, the car's still drivable. We still take it on road trips. So thanks next time.